Hello, welcome back to my channel again. You know what happened? My family came over. I remember I told you my family's not here with me in Dubai. My family came over and trust me, they brought lots of food. I gave my mom a list and then she doubled the list. She even made it more. So I decided to record a whole video for you with what my family brought from Ghana for me. It's lots of things you can see. So we'll all open it together and then we'll see what's in there. As you can tell, there's a lot of black bags and all that. Yeah, this is Ghana for you. When things are coming from there, yes, expect a few black bags. Okay, so let's start opening the bags. I'll start with the ones in front of me now. So, oops, let's see what's in here. So yam, this is yam. Wow, two huge ones. Does this mean you have twins? Anybody knows? Because I heard if you eat anything that comes in pairs, it means you have twins. Anyway, I have two here, two yams. I'll just be putting it on the side. Then another yam here. You realize this is coming from Africa or Ghana when you have these bags. So this is also some yams, which is 3. I have 3 here. That's 5 yams. That's a lot. We're gonna have some yam chips. Then let's check what's in here. Oh, my favorite, guys. I don't like preparing kinky. I mean, I know how to do it, but I always prefer the one from the street. So I told my husband to bring me some kinky. And guess what? Yeah! I'll just tear it apart. I'll just put it, usually that's what I do. I just put it in the fridge and then I'll heat it as and when I need it. This is proper kinky. Aha! Proper kinky. I'm so excited because I've not had kinky. I mean, the one from home in a long time. Yeah. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's millet, the red one. We call it dawa in Hausa language. So this is the red millet. And there's something else in this bag. Let's see what else is in the bag. Okay, so this is kondo. So due to weight issue, I'll explain to you how my mom does it. You will see it's like gari, but it's not. So what she does is she will soak the corn and then for 3 days, like she's preparing her mori, not regular mori. Then after 3 days or 2, maybe let's say 2 days, she grinds it, takes it to the mill to mill it like you're preparing your normal mori. But the difference is when she brings it back, she doesn't leave it to ferment. She doesn't leave it to ferment. She just dries it straight away. So straight from the mill, she dries it on the sun and then it becomes like gari, like a regular like powder, so that it reduces the weight. You know, the water content in kondo is what gives it the weight. So this is what she does, and also it helps you preserve it longer. So it's like, you see it like gari. So when I'm ready to use it, I'll just soak it, make it into a dough form, and then I'll keep it for overnight or 2 days to ferment, and then that's more for you. So this is a nice way of preserving and also transporting it. So this is one of that, and this is the red millet. They call it sobu, the one they use for pito. Yeah. So this is it. Let's see. Probably this is the same. No, I'm not finished. Go back to your room. Okay, those are the kids as usual. I have to lock them in the room. This is also the same. This is also kondo into powder. I have quite a lot of them, so because I think this one is the same. I just want to be sure if it is. Okay, so this is something different. All right, so this is that millet I just showed, the red one. So again, this is for Hausa cocoa, but my mom makes it into a powder form. So when it gets to Dubai, I just have to strain it by myself. So again, the same process. She soaks the millet, mill it, and then dry it straight away. So when it gets to Dubai, all I have to do is to just add water and then strain it. Use my strainer to strain it so that I'll have the, how do you call it? the water on top and then the food itself on the bottom, and then it's house of cocoa for you. Yeah, so this is it, red millet that has been made. This is how my mom does the house of cocoa. So let's see what's in here. Oh, that's another kinky. Ooh, another kinky. I'm excited about the kinky, guys. Let's see what's here. Guys, go to your room. Okay. You know what this is? You know, during Eid al-Adha, the one we do the sacrifice, I wasn't home. If you remember, I was in Dubai still because it was still lockdown. So I did not get the chance to have my meat, apart from the one I made from here. And you know, mommy's meat is always good. So she decided to fry some for me. I'm excited. There you go. That's it. Use it for stew, for soup. It has this distinct flavor. The one that we prepare during Eid, it's different. I believe some of you have tried my recipe for my salah meat. Yes, so you realize it's kind of different. I'm excited because I didn't have the chance to eat the meat from home. I usually spend my Eid back home, but this year due to the COVID thing, we couldn't. So that's meat from my mama. I'm excited. Okay, what's this? This is another millet for cocoa, the red millet, because my kids actually love Hausa cocoa, and my mom usually prepares it with the red millet, so she gave me quite a lot of them. So this is another one. Then let's see what this is. Guys, he realized the kids, I'm trying to send them away, but they're still here. It's fine. So okay, there you go. So this is kuka. Guys, if you've not seen kuka before, this is what we call kuka. It's the baobab tree, the leaves. It's made out from the baobab leaves. So we use it for soup, and I'll share a recipe because I didn't have it. So I didn't have a recipe. I'll share a recipe of this soon. And you see how my mom can give me. How can I finish all this kuka? It's a lot. So let's see what this is. Okay, this is, we call it in Hausa language yemia, but I think they call it African nutmeg. I think so. So this is how it looks like, or calabash nutmeg. I think that's how some people call it. We call it yemia. We use it for soups as well, soups and sauces. The smell, especially when you roast before you use it, it smells so good. Another, I think this is also kondo. Yes. This is also kondo, the powdered one. I want to get all the green bits off. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, oh wow, this is another. So I think now I have about 3 of these, the Hausa cocoa, the millet one. I think I have about 3 of them. So that's another one. Let's see what's here then. Okay, it feels like fish. I think it's tuna. Let's see. That's well wrapped, huh? I could smell it already from here. Yeah, I think they call it what? Opoku or what, but I call it tuna. The one I usually use for my shito recipe. Yeah, this is it. Or even I put it in my soups as well. This is really, really wrapped well. Yes, that's it. 2 big ones. So this is what I usually use for my shito. But if you don't have it, then I have a recipe of how to grill it yourself and then use it to make your shito. But usually this is what I get, the already smoked one. I get it like this, and then I'll just I'll put it in the oven again, and then I'll grind it and I'll use it. But if not, you can get the fresh one and then put it in your oven for a while and then use it. So works fine. Let's go here. Oh, the table is still becoming empty. Okay, so I have here, I think this is shrimps. Again, as I told you, when I asked my mom for one thing, she'll give me two things. She'll give me more. So I have here for the dried herrings, and then she gave me this one as well. The shrimps, I like it. There you go. And these are big ones. Let me try it. I'm already craving, I want to try. Let me see. I like it. Very nice. I like it. You know that sweetness that shrimp has? You can feel it. So delicious. This is dawa dawa. I'm surprised I didn't smell it earlier. Because you know dawa dawa. Well, if it's not properly dried, yeah, you smell it. So my mom makes sure she dries it properly for the smell. Whoa, I just opened it and you see. Okay, somebody take that shrimp away from me before I finish it. And this is herrings. Amani, I made her peel everything for me so that I have less work to do. I don't know if I should open. Let's see. So there you go. That shrimp is delicious. Okay, this is quite heavy. I think this is cassava dough. Yeah, it's very heavy. I can smell it as well. Okay. Yeah, it's cassava dough. Yeah, this will go in the freezer. Yeah, for my banku. Again, this is one of the extra things that my mom bought that I didn't really ask, as I said. What's this? Let's see. I think this is... Okay, so this is gari. Proper like gari. Yep, oopsie. Okay, let's put it quietly. This is gari. Yeah. Okay, let's open this up again and then we are almost... So this is also kondo, the powdered one. So that's about five condos. So let's see what is in this one. This is the last green and everything else now is black. Hey, more money, almighty. More money in a jar. Yeah. This is what you need in your soup. More money. I like the fact that it's in a jar, so it keeps the smell, you know, it's very good. What's this? I think this feels like peanut butter. Or groundnut paste, as you may want to call it. Oh yeah, there you go. So this is groundnut paste. Let's see this one. Okay, this is tied so hard that I have to tear the bag. Hey, this is yaji, suya spice. Yeah, this is suya. That's delicious. Smells good. Yeah, delicious. My mom already told me. Move. My mom already told me, sorry guys. My mom already told me that because of the kids, she didn't put a lot of spice in it. So I can add my own chili, but that is delicious. And what is here? I think it's the same. I think it didn't fit in the jar. So she put the rest here. It didn't fit in the jar. Let's see another thing here. So this is another granite paste or peanut butter, as you want to call it. Guys, apologies for the noise and the background. The kids they refuse to be in their room, so they are making noise. Let's see. Actually, let's do this one. So this is some type of bread that I love so much in Ghana, in Tema. So I told my husband to get me some. It's called hot oven. Anytime I go to Ghana, I buy it. So I told him to buy a few so I can put it just in the freezer and use it as and when I need. So this is butter bread, that is sugar. Who else is not a fan of the bread here? I don't like the bread. I mean, if I don't have an option, I use it, but anytime I go home, I make sure I bring bread for myself. So I have 2 here and 2 there. This will go in the freezer for later. Okay, let's see what is here. Oh, okay, this is tied to twice. Let's see. So this is also, I think, is a leftover, another condo, which I think was left behind, so she just put it in the small one. So it's also a condo. And this is very obvious, I believe. You know, it's palm oil, definitely. The way it's wrapped, we know it's palm oil. Zumi, and I prefer Zumi, so Mama makes sure she gets me Zumi. Yep, there you go. It's palm oil, and it's the same thing, so no need to open it with them. The Zumi. And the last item on the table, I could feel it already. This is waakye leaves. Typically, I will not cook my waakye with the leaves, but because there was a recipe I wanted to record, I decided to tell my mom to bring me waakye leaves. So there you go. That's the waakye leaves. And when I touched it, I was like, oh, that's a lot. And my mom is like, but he told me to buy. I just told her something small, and then she brought it because I don't usually cook with the leaves. So expect a recipe coming. Watch a recipe with the leaves. Expect soon. Right. So those are all the things my mom gave my husband to bring. I mean, at least I made with an extra. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this particular one so I know you like more overhaul videos. Until I come your way next time with another yummy delicious recipe, stay tuned. Bye.